Now, to recap, how does the entire pipeline work? From microscopy videos to a cell lineage graph? Let us understand the pipeline altogether. We start with the 3D microscopy time lapse, and our data is organized in 4 dimensions. First, we prepare every image. We normalize the intensities and we downsample the spatial dimensions in X and Y. That gives us the input. Then we process the input with a temporal unit. The unit gives us two important outputs. The first one is detection logits. We find the local maxima, apply the confidence threshold, and then we get the cell nodes. The second and the more important one is the learned feature maps that tell us what a cell is technically. So both of those go into the node transformer. The node transformer compares cells across consecutive frames and it predicts how compatible each pair is. Those predictions become edge probabilities. Then we filter the candidate edges, make a biologically sensible graph, right? We apply graph constraints, and how we do that is we apply greedy algorithm or ILP, right? And then we get a lineage graph, and that graph is saved as a .chef file, which is a graph lineage file. Now, this entire pipeline is just one example pipeline. So, credits. This entire pipeline was taken from BioHub Tracking Support Pack, which was a pipeline used for cell tracking during development. It's part of a BioHub challenge. I highly encourage all of you to read their repository and try to understand the code if you're interested in implementing this entire pipeline. And if you just want to implement a very dryish run of the pipeline, or if more aptly you like the visuals in this video, feel free to check out my notebook, which just allows you to download those visuals on your own local system. Now, the entire repository that I was talking about, as I said, is part of the BioHub Cell Tracking During Development Challenge that is hosted by BioHub on Kaggle. It still has 2 months left, so if you want to participate or give your own pipelines, you still have time left. And if you want a more implementation or technical overview of the same pipeline, check out my website. Links in the description.